Donald had a dog named Max. Max was 10 years old, which was quite old in dog years. Donald bought the dog to protect him and his family from danger. When Max saw suspicious activity, he barked out loud. There was one time when a robber tried to get into Donald's house. Thankfully, Max barked and Donald was able to stop the robber in time. Sometimes, though, Max would bark when he saw another dog. Donald would go outside thinking something bad was happening. But it was really just another dog. Donald went on a lot of hikes and walks with Max. Donald normally did not like to exercise, but he did not mind if it was with Max. Donald would also bring Max to the dog beach, where he could play with other dogs. Max was considered part of the family. He was even in the family holiday postcard picture. Donald knew, however, that Max was going to die pretty soon. He tried not to think about it. Donald came back home from school and filled up Max's water bowl as usual. Except this time, Max did not run to the water bowl like he usually did. Donald looked around the house for Max and found him lying down on the floor dead. Donald quickly ran to Max and tried to feel for his pulse. Max was officially gone. Donald and his family buried Max in their backyard. Donald cried for a long time and remembered all his good memories with Max.